Welcome back, everyone. I am Emma and my friend Jack have with us, and we are going to be another conversation episode. Our today's conversation held at a grocery store, so stay tuned. Because this conversation builds your listening, speaking, and pronunciation skills. Let's go. Excuse me, do you know where I can find the almond milk?
Sure, it's in aisle 6, right next to the soy and oat milk.
Great, thanks. While I'm here, do you happen to have any ripe avocados?
Yes, we do. They are just over in the produce section, towards the back.
Awesome, I'll grab some of those too. Hey, have you tried the new brand of organic granola that just came in?
No, I haven't had that chance yet. Is it any good?
It's amazing. I highly recommend it. It's in the cereal aisle, right across from the gluten-free options.
I will have to give it a try then. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem, though. And one last thing. Do you know if you carry any locally sourced honey?
Yes, we actually have a few different varieties. They are in the section with the jams and spreads.
Perfect. I'll check it out. Thanks for all your help.
Anytime. Let me know if you need assistance finding anything else. Enjoy your shopping.
Now, customer looking for another items.
Hi there. Do you know where I can find the canned tomatoes?
Sure thing. They're in aisle 3, right next to the pasta sauce.
Awesome. Thanks. Oh, do you have any fresh basil?
Yes, we do. It's in the herb section, just near the vegetables.
Perfect. I'll grab some. By the way, have you tried the homemade salsa from the deli?
No, I haven't had that chance yet. Is it good?
It's delicious. You can find it in the refrigerated section, next to the dips.
I will have to give it a try. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem at all. Hey, do you carry any specialty cheeses?
Yes, we have a selection of imported cheeses. They are in the dairy section near the yogurt.
Great, I'll check it out. Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Let me know if you need assistance finding anything else. Enjoy your shopping.
Hi, do you know where I can find the greeting cards?
Certainly. They're in the aisle 3 near the stationery and gift wrap.
Thank you. Oh, by the way, do you have any party decorations?
Yes, we do. They're in the party supply section towards the back of the store.
Great, I'll check it out. Have you seen the new collection of candles?
No, I haven't had the chance to see them yet. Are they nice?
They're really lovely. You can find them in the home decor aisle, near the picture frames.
I will have to take a look. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem at all. Hey, do you carry any gift bags?
Yes, we have a variety of gift bags. They're in the gift wrapping section next to the wrapping paper.
Perfect. I'll take a look. Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Let me know if you need assistance finding anything else. Happy shopping.
Hi, I'd like to pay my bill for this month.
Sure, I can assist you with that. Do you have your account number or invoice with you?
Yes, here's my account number.
Great. Let me pull up your account. It looks like your total for the month is $80.
Okay, I'd like to pay with my credit card.
Not a problem. You can insert your card into the card reader right here. Your payment has been processed successfully. Would you like a receipt?
No, that's okay. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. If you have any other question, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Our today's conversation end here. Like, share, and subscribe for more.